She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hi there, I'm Gail and welcome back to our channel, Alex and Gail. And for today's video, we're going to do something exciting because I'll be taking you with me to the whole journey on how I did my room makeover. But before anything else, I would like to tell you my reason kung bakit ko transform yung kwarto ko. As we all know, we're still going through a tough situation right now because of the pandemic na sana matapos na. And so we have this so-called new normal wherein we should stay at home at all times as much as possible. So I've decided to create my own space, my own sanctuary wherein I can relax, study, rest that is designed based on my liking. I want to create a good and bright aura and atmosphere because I'll be spending my whole day and every day inside this room. Actually, this took me such a long time to plan and prepare because of the delays and such, but finally, tapos na siya and I can't wait to share it with you all. Kaya hindi ko na papatagalin pa, I'll just explain the details as we jump right into the video.
Here's a small clip of what the room looks like before. As you can see, it's so dark in here and it's a big mess dahil ang daming kalat at gamit. This is originally my mom's room pero nakipag-exchange ako sa kanya since I wanted a room na mas maliit at maraming bintana na wala sa room ko kasi I want my place to have a good lighting din. So this is the room after I took everything out na hindi ko na na-videohan kasi sobrang chaotic ng mga nangyari. But as you can see, it's just a small room with beige walls and vinyl floors. Sobrang simple lang. Plain square kaya mas madaling designan. Yung old room ko kasi may mga built-in shelves, cabinets, dressers, pati accent walls na it will be too complicated kapag ginalaw ko pa. After cleaning the room, the next step that I did was to paint my walls, cabinets, and baseboards. Yung color ng pader ay mixture ng ivory white at apricot white made by myself dahil hindi ako nasatisfy sa pagka-white ng first paint na binili. Sobrang puti kasi nga to the point na mukha na siyang cool tone or purple which is far from my decided theme. Also, don't forget to wear your mask dahil masakit talaga sa ulo yung amoy ng paint, and of course, you should tie your hair so that it will not be a distraction while doing your work. I finished exactly 1.5 gallon of paint sa entire na pader with 3 coatings. This is really tiring dahil kailangan ma-even out yung paint para pumantay yung shade, pati yung taas na kailangan ko pang maghagdan at dugtungan ng tubo yung roller para maabot yung higher part ng wall. At first, hindi ko pa talaga alam ginagawa ko but eventually, it turned out well although knockout ako agad after I finished painting it along with the baseboard using another mixture made by me of enamel paint since sa wood siya gagamitin. Also, yung cabinet din which I painted the same shade as my walls although enamel paint din ang gamit ko and pinasandpaper ko din sa kuya ko beforehand para mas kumapit yung pintura. Also, I repainted some of my things in room decorations with a gold spray paint para mag-match siya sa theme ko kasi originally sobrang random lang yung mga colors nila. Just to inform you guys, everything that I used and bought for this makeover are all listed in the description box below and naka-flash din yung basic details sa screen. Here's the most challenging part because this is the first time na ginawa ko to. I've decided to make my own side table, chair, floating shelves, and frames using these wood planks. I only did the measurements and asked my older cousin to cut and assemble it for me while I'm assisting him. Muntik na siyang maging fail because obviously we're not professionals pero we survived at sobrang nagustuhan ko yung results. The reason kung bakit ko DIY to is because sobrang pricey niya online and I can't go out or ask someone to hop on some stores to find this kind of pieces. After that, nag-apply lang ako ng wood varnish na natural sa mga ginawa namin and ang mali ko lang dyan, nakalimutan ko magsuot ng mask kaya ang sakit ng ulo ko pagkatapos. Another DIY that I did is my carpet, also a pillowcase and a pot. This made the whole process enjoying because I feel like it's an achievement for me to design these things. For the carpet, dapat talaga online ako bibili pero kasi hindi ako sure sa mga sizes niya, sa material, and also hindi siya affordable. That's why I just glued 2 pieces of half a yard of canvas cloth and made some tassels for the details. If you also want to try making this, pwede nyong itahin na lang yung cloth together as well as the tassels para mas matibay. I also made some DIY pom-poms na pwede rin kayong mag-search ng tutorials niya sa YouTube. And of course, I made hundreds of tassel pieces para maging enough siya sa DIY na gagawin natin. Para makompleto natin yung carpet, naglagay din ako ng mga anti-slip mat sa ilalim niya. Then for the pillowcases, kumuha lang ako ng plain white pillowcase and dinikit din yung pom-poms and ribbon lace for more details. For this bin na gagamitin ko to put an artificial plant, dapat hayaan ko na lang siya na plain white, but nakita ko na meron pa pala akong strings kaya I've decided to wrap it around the bin, which I'm really glad that I did because it suits well with my theme. Moving on, changing the flooring is really not included sa una kong plano, but the moment I realized na masyadong dark yung color ng floor ko for the theme, naisip ko to use this PVC wallpaper as a cover na talaga naman pinahirapan akong ilagay and took me almost the whole day to finish it. But look how this last minute decision made my whole room brighter. Sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga siya and it really did a big change in how my old room looks like. Now, I'm starting to fill in my room starting with the curtains. Naglagay lang ako ng cream-colored curtains just to give my windows a bit of shade and para naman di siya ganun ka-expose sa labas. Of course, hindi mawawala to. I placed a full-length mirror sa corner ng room ko. I can use it also for selfies and OOTDs. Then for the bed naman, which is the same sofa bed from the original setup, ayan, nilagay ko lang siya sa gitnang part ng room vertically because before na-horizontal siya. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng white bedsheet, white comforter, and those pillows with our DIY pillowcase. If you can still recall, this face is one of those that I spray painted earlier. I just placed a glass container on its center part to hold the artificial rose that will serve as a decoration on top of my side table, which is this. That's how it turned out. As you can see, this is one of the pieces that me and my older cousin customized using the wood planks. I'm just assembling it along with a woman lamp, which is a gift for me, a picture frame with a quote saying your beauty starts the moment you decide to be yourself, which I got from internet. Also nilagay ko rin ng candle in small notebooks, and I can say that it made a good statement inside to be the first thing na makikita ko pagising ko since it's placed beside my bed. Then here's the artificial plant along with my DIY pot. Kaya artificial lang siya kasi hindi naman ako marunong mag-alaga ng mga halaman. Can trust myself with that. Naglagay lang din ako ng mga storage boxes and crates around the mirror that I'll fill with my necessities like skincare products and makeup. Now this is the area that speaks a lot about me, which is my art section I am currently assembling. For those who don't know me, painting is something that I would love to spend my free time with. Naglagay lang din ako ng storage boxes, ng crates, and a bit of decoration sa gilid. Then for this big crate that I used to hold my painting materials, kasama siya sa mga crates na binili ko sa tabi ng mirror. I really love these crates guys, you should check the shop na pinagbilan ko niyan sa Shopee. Ang gaganda niya, swear, and it perfectly fits my theme. Then that's the installed shelf na ginawa din namin ng kuya ko. Nilalagyan ko lang siya ng mga decorations with my insects camera, a frame, and artificial vines. For the next section of my room, the last place that I'll be decorating, which is my study area, nilagay ko lang dyan yung lumang customized white study table ko. To spice up the area, naglagay din ako sa taas niya ng mga picture frames and yung parang painting dyan, I just bought it from Shopee. And then the frames, yung made that out of the scraps na nanggaling sa table and chair na ginawa namin. I placed a desk lamp above my study table to give me a good lighting as I study at night and some school stuff sa taas. Of course, I needed a chair, so as you can see, yan yung chair na ginawa namin kanina where I just added a foam sticker para mas comfortable upuan. Now, to complete the setup, I placed the DIY carpet right there before I show you the final look of my new room.
And that's it! I hope you like how my room turned out as much as I did, and sana it can give you ideas or inspire and help you if you're planning to transform your own room as well. Sobrang natuwa talaga ako kasi this is how I pictured it out bago pa simulan, and to tell you guys, it took me a big effort, patience, and tinding pagod along the process, especially nung mga times may mga materials na nagkukulang at mali yung shade na paint na nabili. Also, magastos din siya, kaya be wise sa pag-budget at pagpili ng mga gagamitin para walang masasayang. But to top it all off, lahat ng yan worth it. And thank you for staying up until the end of the video. And also, check out Alex's own studio room makeover posted here in our channel. If you want to see more from us, click the subscribe button and the notification bell below, and also hit the like and share button, as well as leave us comments and video suggestions for us to feel more of your support. Thank you everyone! Don't forget to stay fab and stay gold. Bye!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.